Stop scrolling. Listen to this one sentence carefully. Your English isn't bad, your confidence is. And today, in this class, we are going to fix both. Not tomorrow, not next week. Right now, in this moment, your English journey is restarting with new energy, new confidence, and a new you. So take a breath, relax your shoulders, and get ready. Because this is the English class that finally makes you feel fluent, not just sound fluent. Hey my friend, welcome back. I'm really happy you're here. Because you didn't come by accident. You came because somewhere inside you, you know you can speak English better. You know you deserve fluency. You know your voice matters. And that energy, that desire, is what makes you different. Most people want to speak English, but very few practice. But you're practicing right now. That's already a win. In this class, we're going to check mark speak together, check mark repeat together, check mark practice real USA English, check mark build confidence, check mark learn through stories, check mark improve pronunciation, check mark train mind plus tongue, check mark become fearless. We're talking as friends. No pressure, no judgment, just growth. Alright, let's warm up your mouth, mind, and confidence. Repeat everything out loud. Don't just listen, speak. Basic USA greetings. Repeat after me. Hey, how's it going? Good to see you. How's your day so far? What's up? How have you been? Now reply. I've been good. Doing great today. Pretty good, just a little tired. I'm alright, thanks for asking. Great. Longer real conversation lines. Repeat again. I've been trying to work on my English. My day has been busy but good. I'm just taking things one step at a time. I'm learning every single day. Nice. Feel the flow of American casual English. Example mini conversation. You, hey, how's everything, friend? Good, good. Just working. You, same here. This week's been long, right? Repeat it. Feel the rhythm. Soft, relaxed, friendly, that's real USA English. Speak these loudly. Let your voice grow stronger. I don't need perfect English. I only need confidence. Every time I speak, I improve. My mistakes teach me. I'm not afraid of speaking anymore. Again, louder. I am a confident English speaker. Fluency is coming to me. I deserve this skill. Perfect. You're doing better than you think. The coffee shop moment. Let me tell you a true style story that teaches natural English. Listen deeply, then repeat the key lines. One morning, a young student named Alex walked into a coffee shop in New York. He had recently moved to the USA, and his English wasn't perfect. He practiced daily, but still felt nervous when speaking to Americans. That day, the shop was crowded. People were talking fast. The barista was taking orders quickly. Alex looked at the menu, and panic hit. What if I say it wrong? What if they don't understand me? What if people laugh? His hands started shaking. His breath became short. He almost walked out. But then a small voice in his mind said, "Speak, even if it's not perfect." So when it was his turn, Alex stepped forward and said slowly, "Hi, can I get a medium latte with extra milk?" The barista nodded, smiled, and said, "Sure, anything else?" Alex froze again. He wanted to say, "That's all," but forgot the words. The barista noticed his nervousness and said gently, "Don't worry, take your time." Alex breathed again and said, "Yeah, that's it, thank you." The barista smiled and said, "No problem, happens to everyone." And in that moment, Alex realized something powerful. People don't care if your English is perfect. People care about kindness, confidence, and communication. That day changed him. He promised himself, "I will speak, even if I make mistakes." Key lines to repeat. Can I get a medium latte? That's all. Thank you. I speak slowly. I speak clearly. I can communicate. I can express myself. People understand me. Mistakes are normal. Great. Hey, don't disappear now. This is the part most learners skip. But this is the part that actually changes your English. If you're still here, I know you're serious. So stay with me, the best practice is coming in the next 10 seconds. Let's practice real English you'll use in daily life. Expressing feelings. Repeat after me. I'm feeling great today. I'm a bit stressed but I'm okay. I'm excited for this week. I'm proud of myself. Good. Asking for help. Useful in America. Excuse me, can you help me? I didn't understand. Can you say it again? Can you repeat that slowly? Where can I find this place? Shopping English. Do you have this in medium size? How much is this? Is there any discount? Can I return this later? At a restaurant. Can I see the menu, please? I'd like the chicken sandwich. Can you make it less spicy? Could I get the bill? Great. Most people can speak English, but their fear stops them. Today we remove that fear. Repeat after me. I am not afraid to speak. I trust myself. My voice is powerful. I deserve confidence. I can learn anything. Now a stronger version. I am a fluent English speaker in progress. I practice daily. My English is improving. I believe in myself. Confidence is a muscle, we're training it. Let's fix common pronunciation issues. Repeat slowly. Comfortable right pointing arrow, kumf tear bull. Breakfast right pointing arrow, breakfast. Asked right pointing arrow, askt. Clothes right pointing arrow, claws. Vegetable right pointing arrow, vegetable. Schedule right pointing arrow, schedule. Now full sentences. This chair is comfortable. I already ate breakfast. I asked him yesterday. I like your clothes. Vegetables are healthy. Tongue twister. She sells seashells by the seashore. Say it 3 times. Let's talk like real friends. Repeat your part. Conversation practice. Me. Hey, what's new with you? You. Not much, I've just been practicing my English. Me. Really, how often do you practice? You. Almost every day. I'm trying to improve. Me. That's amazing. What changes do you feel? You. I'm more confident. I don't freeze anymore. Me. Nice. That's the most important part. You. Yeah, I feel proud of myself. Dash dash dash. Let's do a longer one. Me. So, what are your goals for English this year? You. I want to speak more confidently and naturally. Me. Awesome. What's the biggest challenge for you? You. Sometimes I understand everything, but I can't speak fast. Me. That's normal. Speaking comes later with practice. You. I know. I'm not giving up. Beautiful. Closing parenthesis. The job interview. A young woman named Sarah was preparing for her first job interview in America. She was intelligent, skilled, and hardworking, but her English wasn't perfect. She kept thinking, what if they don't understand my accent? What if I forget a word? What if I embarrass myself? But she still went. When she entered the interview room, she said with all her courage, "Hi, thank you for having me here today." The manager smiled. Her confidence impressed him, not her grammar. During the interview, Sarah forgot a word. She panicked for a moment. But then she smiled and said, "Sorry, I'm still learning English. Let me say that again." The manager appreciated her honesty. She wasn't perfect, she was human. Later, she got the job, not because she spoke perfect English, but because she spoke with heart, clarity, and courage. Dash dash dash. Repeat after me key lines. Thank you for having me here today. Let me try that again. I'm still learning, but I'm confident. I will speak even if it's not perfect. You are not behind. You are not slow. You are not weak. You are a learner, and learners grow every day. Fluency isn't magic. Fluency is repetition. Fluency is courage. Fluency is you deciding, I will keep going. And you did keep going. You completed a full 5,000-word English practice class. Be proud of yourself. Be confident. Be brave. Now say this with me, the final line. I am becoming fluent. I am improving. And I will not stop. You did great today. I'm proud of you.